मैं आपको आज एक स्टोरी सुनाऊंगा. दिस इज नॉट अ हैप्पी स्टोरी, इट्स अ सैड स्टोरी एंड इट हैज फेलियर इन इट. और ये कोई छोटा फेलियर नहीं है, बट इट्स अ बिग फेलियर क्योंकि इसमें पूरा साल इन्वॉल्व है. 2021 में क्या हुआ आई डोंट नो एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द प्रॉब्लम कि आई फेल्ड माई ईयर. और फिर मैंने सोचा कि क्या 2022 के आखिर में भी इसी तरह का रिग्रेट बोलूंगा. 2022 को मैंने जाया कर दिया. आई सेड नो, आई विल आइडेंटिफाई माई फेलियर्स, ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू स्मॉलर प्रॉब्लम्स, सॉल्व दोज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड मेक माई ईयर सक्सेसफुल. एंड yes, 2022 is my year. So step 1 is about failure identification. So I knew something was wrong and the first part was to identify the problem. मुझे ये पता करना ज़रूरी था कि where exactly am I wrong? And the problem was I did not know what did I achieve in 2021. But then I thought to myself कि जब आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपको क्या करना है या किधर जाना है, how can you evaluate yourself on these basis? It's just like giving an exam without a syllabus. फिर मैंने कहा बात तो सही है. फिर मैंने कहा okay, let's write the stuff down what I want to do in my year of 2022 and make a syllabus. And then at the end of the year, I can evaluate myself better कि ये साल successful था या ये भी waste हो गया. So I sat down and I wrote 22 goals जो कि मुझे 2022 में achieve करने हैं. And I would like to share them with you. And I think you should do the same. So मैंने अपने 22 goals को 8 categories में divide किया हुआ है. The first category is about daily habit. इसके अंदर 3 main चीजें हैं. The first goal is about 1 second a day. I want to record myself daily for 1 second and see कि हर दिन मैंने क्या किया है. The second is about praying more often. फरंगी मुल्क में रहते हैं, नमाजें छूट जाती हैं अक्सर, तो it's a goal कि नमाजें पढ़नी है. The third is about daily habit tracking. And then I have some goals which are Germany centered. For example, number 4 is about German language. मैं अच्छी खासी German language बोल लेता हूँ, but I would like to learn it more. Number 5 is about German driver's license. यहाँ 6 महीने लगते हैं, 1500 यूरो का खर्चा होता है, but yes, why not? 6 is about degree. वो भी खत्म करनी है, थोड़ी सी रह गई है. Let's jump into the personal goals and number 7 is about saving X amount of money in my year. To save more money, you need to earn more money. And of course, जब organic केले खाने हैं तो पैसे तो कमाने पड़ेंगे ना यार. Goal number 8 is about doing a road trip in Europe. अब पैसे आ गए, driver's license आ गया, तो why not let's also do a road trip. Fourth category is about some travel goals. I want to travel to Turkey maybe go for an umrah. आजकल ये बड़ा मुश्किल है due to corona. FIFA हो रहा है 2022 के आखिर में, वहाँ पे जाना है कतर में. I was there in Russia as well, so it would be nice कि let's see how Arabs do it. And last on my bucket list is कि मैं सारे मुल्क गया हूँ, but मैं कोई किसी English speaking मुल्क नहीं गया. Fifth category is about personality development. इसके अंदर I want to learn piano maybe. Then I want to read some book, maybe 4 books at the end of the year. I read very slowly, 2 पेज पढ़ के सो जाता हूँ. So I also want to build this habit in myself. And 15th goal is about recording expenses. The 6th category is about health. So I want to stay physically fit in this year. And I want to do something physical at least 3 times every week. Eat more bio food, maybe, why not? And invest in skincare. Now I have zero knowledge about this. And then I have some professional goals. Professional goals में, for example, YouTube is one. I want to explore this side of the world कि लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं and how do they break the YouTube algorithm, just for my knowledge purposes. 20th is about resuming professional photography. I used to do this back in Pakistan and now I miss this. And yes, 21st goal is find a new job. अगर मेरी कंपनी वाले वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो ना देखें. The last but not the least category is about the community. So I want to give back to the community. And I want to open my own scholarship fund at the end of the year. So if you are looking for a scholarship in Germany, now is the time to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second part is a solution to this problem. Just having goals is not enough. You have to focus onto the system. You have to create a strategy on how would you tackle your life to achieve your goals. And I have 3 techniques for you which you can implement and do this. The first one is about a quarter-wise system. I learned this from companies. जैसे बड़ी companies में बड़े-बड़े projects होते हैं and what they do is they break down those goals into quarter-wise goals. Quarter-wise का क्या मतलब है कि you break everything in 4 parts of the year. January to March, April to June, July to September and October to December. And you can do the same. For example, if I want to learn piano, बजाय इसके कि मैं बोलूँ कि I want to learn 4 songs at the end of the year, I could say कि every 3 months I want to learn 1 new melody. ना सिर्फ इससे आपका गोल more achievable होता है, बल्कि you can put checkpoints and measure your progress. The second is about the SMART technique. SMART technique, इसमें हर character का एक मतलब है. For example, S stands for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant and T for timed. Specific का मतलब ये है कि your goal should be very well defined. जैसे कि ये ना बोलें कि I want to save money. Say I want to save 1 lakh rupees. So the goal is more specific. M stands for measurable, which means that you can measure your progress. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे 100 रुपए बचाने और साल के बीच में मैंने 50 रुपए सेव कर लिए, सो नाउ आई नो आई ओनली नीड टू सेव 50 रुपीज मोर. सो दिस वे योर गोल इज मोर मेजरेबल. ए स्टैंड्स फॉर अचीवेबल, मतलब कि आप ऐसे गोल सेट करें विच यू कैन एक्चुअली अचीव एंड नॉट से कि यार मैं साल के आखिर में एक घर बना लूंगा. अगर आप कमाई 2 रुपए रहे तो आप घर कैसे बनाएंगे? आई डोंट नो. मेक योर गोल्स मोर रेलेवेंट एंड दैट इज व्हाट आर स्टैंड्स फॉर. रेलेवेंट का मतलब है कि यू अलाइन योर गोल्स विद योर वैल्यूज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई वांट टू सेव मनी, so I can travel, I can open a scholarship fund, I can do whatever I feel like. And last but not the least, T stands for time. It is very very important, I think. Give a timeline to your goal. For example, अगर आपको 100 रुपए बचाने, आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपको कब तक बचाने, तो कभी बचेंगे ही नहीं. And then at the end of the year आप सोच रहे होंगे shit यार मैंने साल ज़ाया कर दिया मेरी तरह. So don't do this. Give a timeline to your goal. And the third technique which really helps me to achieve what I want to do in life is visualization. It is very important to visualize the direction you want to take and the things you want to do. What I do is I write all of my goals and things I want to do down on a diary or a piece of paper. I carry a diary with me. This is a very nice diary. It has a lot of my secrets and things I want to do in life. And it has really helped me to achieve them. Take a look at it again and again. And yes, that's all. So, write your stuff down. This is very important. इसमें मैं और emphasis कैसे दूँ मुझे नहीं पता. At the end, I would like to say that every goal here is to polish my own personality. और यही बात मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहता हूँ कि दूसरों के गोल से इंस्पिरेशन लेना इज वन थिंग, बट उनके गोल्स को अपना गोल बनाना इज नॉट अ वेरी आइडियल सिचुएशन. बिकॉज फर्स्टली गोल्स चाहे कितने भी सिमिलर हों, द सर्कमस्टेंसेज आर नॉट द सेम. सेकेंडली, अगर गोल ओरिजिनल नहीं होता, आपके अंदर से नहीं आता, सो आप बार बार डिस्कनेक्टेड फील करते हैं एंड विद टाइम यू गेट डीमोटिवेटेड टू अचीव दैट गोल. सो मेक योर ओन स्मार्ट लिस्ट एंड टेल मी अबाउट इट इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. एट द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू leave you with a very good quote from Albert Einstein. Yes, this is how you say his name in German. Einstein means one stone, but here let's jump to the quote. And it says, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or to things. And yes, growth is incomplete without good habits. और इसीलिए इस वीडियो के अंदर I talked about 22 lessons which you can take in your life and make good habits from them. So go and watch it.